Hello guys, welcome to Real Tech Hamlet. In Chapter 1, we will discuss about what is ChatGPT. And we will also discuss some important topics related to ChatGPT, such as what is chatbot? What is AI? Some examples of trending AI. What is OpenAI? What is GPT? What is LLM? What is fine-tuning? What is transfer learning, TL? What is supervised learning, SL? What is reinforcement learning, RL? To understand ChatGPT clearly, you must have clear concept on these topics. So, let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence, AI, chatbot developed by OpenAI. GPT is an acronym for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT is launched in November 2022. In more words, ChatGPT is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, GPT-3, and Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, GPT-4 families of large language models, LLMs. What is chatbot? A chatbot is a software application used to conduct an online chat conversation via text or text-to-speech, in lieu of providing direct contact with a live human agent. In other words, chatbots are computer programs that are capable of maintaining a conversation with a user in natural language, understanding their intent, and replying based on preset rules and data. It is designed to convincingly simulate the way a human would behave as a conversational partner. Chatbot systems typically require continuous tuning and testing, with many in production unable to adequately converse. What is AI? Some examples of trending AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is intelligence demonstrated by machines, as opposed to intelligence of humans and other animals. Example tasks in which this is done include speech recognition, computer vision, translation between natural languages, as well as other mappings of inputs. Some examples of trending AI. ChatGPT. D-ID.com. Birds. Midjourney AI. Landbot.io. Soundful.com. What is OpenAI? OpenAI is an American artificial intelligence, AI, research laboratory consisting of the nonprofit OpenAI Incorporated and its for-profit subsidiary corporation OpenAI Limited Partnership. OpenAI conducts AI research with the declared intention of promoting and developing a friendly AI. OpenAI systems run on an Azure-based supercomputing platform from Microsoft. What is GPT? Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, GPT-3, is an autoregressive language model released in 2020 that uses deep learning to produce human-like text. When given a prompt, it will generate text that continues the prompt. Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, GPT-4, is an updated version of GPT-3. What is LLM? A large language model, LLM, is a language model consisting of a neural network with many parameters, trained on large quantities of unlabeled text using self-supervised learning. LLMs emerged around 2018 and perform well at a wide variety of tasks. What is fine-tuning? In machine learning, fine-tuning is an approach to transfer learning in which the weights of a pre-trained model are trained on new data. Fine-tuning can be done on the entire neural network or on only a subset of its layers, in which case the layers that are not being fine-tuned are frozen, not updated during the backpropagation step. What is transfer learning, TL? Transfer learning, TL, is a research problem in machine learning, ML, that focuses on applying knowledge gained while solving one task to a related task. For example, knowledge gained while learning to recognize cars could be applied when trying to recognize trucks. This topic is related to the psychological literature on transfer of learning, although practical ties between the two fields are limited. What is supervised learning, SL? Supervised learning, SL, is a machine learning paradigm for problems where the available data consists of labeled examples, meaning that each data point contains features, covariates, and an associated label. The goal of supervised learning algorithms is learning a function that maps feature vectors, inputs, to labels, output, based on example input-output pairs. What is reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning, RL, is an area of machine learning concerned with how intelligent agents ought to take actions in an environment in order to maximize the notion of cumulative reward. Reinforcement learning is one of three basic machine learning paradigms, alongside supervised learning and unsupervised learning. More info about ChatGPT. ChatGPT was launched as a prototype on November 30, 2022. It garnered attention for its detailed responses and articulate answers across many domains of knowledge. Following the release of ChatGPT, OpenAI's valuation was estimated at $29 billion in 2023. The original release of ChatGPT was based on GPT 3.5. A version based on GPT-4, the newest OpenAI model, was released on March 14, 2023, and is available for paid subscribers on a limited basis. So, that was a deep info about ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. If the information is helpful, subscribe my channel and press the like